Hi, Matt from InvestiQuant here. I want to do a quick video and show you something that is showing up this morning on our analytics page. A little bit of a unique pattern of 5 lower closes in a row in the ES. And we're getting that followed up by an up gap this morning as the buyers have showed up in the overnight session. So I want to show a quick study here and then scroll through some charts, show you something that maybe you can get some information that might be useful for you today. So 5 lower closes in a row in the ES, followed by a gap up the next day, has produced these results when going long at the open and exiting at the close. So pretty flat equity curve with a couple nice big trades mixed in here, but equity curve certainly not impressive. However, stats pretty strong on when it closes higher or lower from the open. So 2 out of 3 times of the 32 samples that we have to work with, it has closed above the open for that day. You can see that by the win rate there. But what I wanted to show you was just looking through the daily charts of the price action that's happened here, you start to notice something. So I'm going to scroll through these pretty quickly. We've got about, 32 of these to look at, so I'm just going to start scrolling through here. And I want you to just look at some characteristics as I'm scrolling through these to see if you notice anything that may be showing up. So we are now in 2011 on these charts, still going. 2012, there's some from 2015, 2016, 2018, and 2019. So one characteristic that stood out to me this morning as I was looking is a lot of those start to make pretty directional moves off of the open or right around the open, which suggest you may be able to follow the gap with a tightish or tight-like target, or tight-like stop, I should say. And here we go. So this is getting long at the open with a 30% stop. And what you see here is 53% of these are still winning out of the 64% that we had total, or 65, forget what it was exactly. But the majority of them, if you use a tight stop, which I'm defining as 30% of the 5-day ATR, are still surviving the opening volatility and becoming profitable by the end of the day, at least historically speaking. So I thought that was interesting, thought I would share it with you, and hopefully you found it helpful. Come back sometime soon. We'll do this again.